Guys, what we discussed yesterday? Guys, tell me. Anand, physical server. So virtualization. So in the virtualization, what we installed, guys? In the virtualization, what we installed? Guys, tell me. What we installed? Oracle Virtual Box 7.10.0 something. So version we installed. So here, so if you want to interact with the physical server, so what we need, which OS we need to install? Either CentOS, CentOS 7. So here, so we install the virtualization. So install the virtualization, then it will it will releases the resources, and we can so we can install the OSs whatever we want. So which OS we installed yesterday, guys, on the virtual box? Guys, are you there? CentOS 7.
Android 7.
CentOS 7 OS. CentOS 7 OS installed. CentOS 7 OS installed. So what is the resources, guys, we use it for the CentOS 7? CentOS 7. So CentOS 7 OS installed. So installed on the OVM Oracle Virtual Machine. So resources are, guys, tell me what are the resources? RAM. So how much RAM? So we dedicated for the CentOS 7. 2 GB of RAM. So 2 GB means 2048 MB of for RAM and CPU. So CPU we used one CPU, right? So how much hard disk we used? 20 GB. So 20 GB hard disk is we used. So for installing the OS, we took this resources. We took the 2 GB of RAM, one CPU, and 20 GB hard disk. I want to install a CentOS on the OVM. So what we need, guys? We need a so what we need? We need a CentOS 7 ISO download. So we need a CentOS 7 ISO. So we can download and install. Can download and install in your laptop. So in your this is your laptop. This is your laptop. For example, this is your laptop. So in your laptop, so in your laptop, so first you need to install the Oracle VirtualBox. So you need to install the Oracle VirtualBox, and so we can install the CentOS and we can download the CentOS 7. Then we can install the CentOS 7 on your OVM Oracle Virtual Machine on your Oracle VirtualBox. So we install the CentOS 7. CentOS 7. For example, I want to install a OVM or VMware. So VMware ESXi OS. So this is the physical server. What is this server? A Power Edge, Dell Power Edge or 710. Dell Power Edge or 710. So this is the physical server. So how we can see, so VMware ESXi ESXi images. Yeah, guys. So this is the physical server. So in this physical server, we installed a VMware ESXi. Then we install the VMs, virtual machines. Then we install the virtual machines. What it call it as a center is call it as it is called it as a VM. So VM is nothing but a virtual machine. So virtual machine. So virtual machine. So virtual machine. A VM is called as a virtual mission. We installed the a virtual missions, not a physical missions, a virtual missions. So once we install the so VMware on the physical server, so we can install the we can install the virtual machines and we can use it for the non-production or production QA environment or non or pre-prod environment. We can use this. So these all are called as a virtual mission. Now it is a So Oracle Virtual Machine. In the Oracle Virtual Machine, we installed a virtual machines called CentOS 7. So we installed a CentOS 7 VM, CentOS Red Hat VM, Windows VM, Ubuntu VM. So these all are the VMs. Guys, now you understood? So this after installing the OS, so this is the screen will showing. So these are the screens. So this is the OS is installing on the VM on the physical server. After that, so we need to configure the password, IP addresses. So this is after installing the ESXi. So after installing the VMware ESXi. So these are the screens, guys, we are seeing. So this is the VMware ESXi is the OS. Once we install the OS, so this is the screen. We'll show it, and we will configure the IP address and everything. Then we can connect it. So you see, guys. So these are the server hardwares. In the server hardware, Dell, HP, whatever it may be, we install the VMware ESXi virtualization. So then we install the Linux OSs. We install the whatever the OSs we need, we install it.
We installed Oracle Virtual Machine, right? This is
We installed Oracle Virtual Machine. So virtualization provided by the VMware and the Oracle. So VMware virtualization solution provided by the VMware and Oracle. So this is the VMware. So this is the VMware ESXi. So if you want, you can install the Oracle Virtual Machine. Oracle Virtual Machine. Then we can install the number of OSs. Number of OSs on your physical server. Number of OSs on your physical server. Now you got it right, guys. So
yes, yes.
this is the Oracle virtual machine we installed VMware. So this is the virtualization solution Oracle virtual machine. So then we install the OSs. We install the virtual machines. So based on our resources, we can install a number of VMs, number of OSs. Guys, now you understood,
Yeah.
guys. This is the physical server. So how we can
Yeah.
interact with this physical server? We can interact with this physical server of any of the OS we need to install. So here we CentOS directly CentOS is installed. But here, so VMware ESXi OS is installed. Why this OS? If you install this OS, it releases the resources. It releases the resources and we can install whatever the OSs we want. We can install the a number of virtual machines. We can install the so we can create the number of virtual machines once we install the VMware. So this is the virtualization. This is the physical. Guys, understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. So can someone share your screen? Actually, I don't have a time to debug that my mission. So still virtual mission is there in my mission. So I will show you again. So how to install the OS today. So can someone share your screen? So something like who will share your screen? Who is the Windows laptop? Who are using? Vanilio are you using Windows? Right? Are you using Windows? Victoria are you using Windows? So who are using the Windows machines?
Let me
Behind
share. Let me share the screen. Or if
who is
there's any person.
all right?
Oh,
No. We already installed on your machine right yesterday.
okay.
Okay, someone behind or
I don't have
behind
any.
there.
I cannot share it.
No. Behind you are using which? Are you using laptop, right?
Yeah, I'm not using laptop. I'm using pad.
Are you using it? You are using?
I'm using pad. My
Hello?
computer does not function very well.
Okay.
Hello?
So, yeah. Please.
Please, before you,
Exactly, I cannot share my screen while the other participants is sharing. So I don't know how it
Okay.
works.
Okay.
before you
So,
go,
yeah.
hi,
I'm using a
Now,
laptop, a window laptop.
please.
excuse me, please. Before you go,
Home. Yes, home. Cloud.
yeah, please, before you go more further,
Mm,
can
mm.
you just briefly explain? I want to understand the difference between the physical server and the virtualization. Where are the sources of what the number of virtualization you are installing coming from? I want to understand the difference between
Yeah.
the
So,
two.
so what you understand about physical and virtualization? So what you know? So what you know? What is so the difference between what you know? So what you did understand? What you understand the difference between physical and virtualization? I will tell you. What you understand?
Okay, my understanding is that it is a kind of physical is a kind of is where that is the source, the server is a kind of the physical is the server. So
Yeah,
the
virtual. This
virtualization
is also a
is
server.
the
This is also a
application.
physical server. So this is also a physical server. So where we install our virtualization, this is also a physical server. Understood? So this is also a
Mm.
physical server. So this is a Dell coverage same server. Dell.
So both of them at the same time, but you can differentiate between the.
So this is also a Dell coverage server. So this is also a Dell coverage server.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is also a physical server. This is also a physical server. So in here, so in this physical server, we install only CentOS 7, only only one
Mm.
OS on the server. But here in this is also a physical server. This is a Dell coverage. This is also a physical server. But here we installed something like I will show you. This is the so you see. Yeah. So this is also a physical server. So in here, so we installed a VMware ESXi. So for
Okay.
example, okay. So this is also a physical server. Yeah. So this is also a physical server. So this is also a physical server. So this is also a physical server. In this server, so what we installed is CentOS 7.
Mhm.
CentOS 7. Yeah. So what we installed? So we installed only. So this is the physical server. We installed only CentOS 7. CentOS 7. But here, so we installed the. So this is one. Yeah. So this is one CentOS 7. So this is another CentOS 7. So this is another CentOS 7 mission we installed. Yeah. So this is another CentOS 7. So this is, yeah, you see. So if we install the Oracle virtual machine, Oracle OVM or VMware, so we can install the any one of the software on your hardware. So once you install this hardware, it
Mhm.
releases the resources. The resources is something like a CPU, RAM, and hard disk.
Yeah.
So we don't want this much big amount of servers for the development environment. So for this, so we install the VMware on the server. So then we install the number of OSs. We install the number of OSs. So every OS is called as a VM, virtual machine. This is not a physical missions. These are the virtual missions.
Mm.
Okay. So this is the physical mission. In this physical mission, we install only CentOS 7. Only CentOS 7. Now you understood?
Yeah,
Mm.
Understood, right?
yeah,
So
I'm
here,
getting it.
so I install the CentOS 7. Here, I install the CentOS 7. Here, I install the CentOS 7. Here,
Okay.
I install the CentOS 7. So here, I install the OSs on only physical server, on the physical server only. On the physical server only. Now you got it?
Yeah.
Right? This is the difference between a virtualization and a physical. So in the physical, we install only one OS, but if you install a virtualization, either Oracle or VMware, ESXi, is there any we can install the on our hardware, so it will releases the resources, and we can install based on our resources. We install number of VMs. This is called as a VM. So CentOS 7 VM, CentOS 7 VM, CentOS 7 VM, CentOS 7 VM, CentOS
Mm.
7 VM. For example, if it is a Red Hat, we can install Red Hat, Windows, whatever it may be, we can install whatever the OS we can install on the virtualization. We can install the whatever the OS. Now you got it?
Yeah, whatever it is, like if it is Red Hat, you can replace it with the CentOS 7, whatever number you are trying to install, right?
Yeah, whatever the OS you can install. Red Hat.
Yeah. Okay,
You can
I
install
got
the
it.
Red
So
Hat.
Harry,
Yeah.
so Harry, what I'm asking is that you can install multiple servers on that the last the virtualization.
Yeah,
You can
multiple
install
servers. For
multiple
example,
servers,
yeah,
unlike the physical that you can install like just
yeah.
one server. So okay, like what I want to ask like, for the first physical server, can you go back to the main screen where you had the three
Mhm.
servers, the first physical, second, and the
Yeah,
virtualization?
yeah. One sec. I think you're asking a good question. Thinking. Yeah. So I think I want to install a Red Hat. So I install the Red Hat, whatever it may be. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Who is asking?
So I have
Question.
this question. Yeah, so like the first one, the first physical server, the Dell Power Edge R710.
Yes.
So when you have these two servers, like both of them can take just one server, because I see like the first one, it has like other servers, the Central 777. So the first one can take only one server, and the second one server, or the first one, which is a natural, you say the natural resources or something, right? That you get the resources from the first one, the Dell Power Edge R710. Then before you move to the second server, Dell Power. So what I'm asking, that if you have all the like natural resources or whatsoever you have, like as many as possible, so when you move to the second physical server, so can this second physical server take more or just one?
Only one OS we
Only
Like
installed
one.
on the.
like only one, okay. Yeah.
Okay, so let
So
me.
by the first one, can you
Yeah, I wanted to know why it's only one.
like like by the first one, it seems as if from the resources, it can take as many as possible, then it start
Yes,
distributing it to
yes,
one.
yes,
So
yes,
that's what I'm
yes.
asking.
Yeah. So this is
So,
the, yeah, I got the question. You are asking a good question. I will tell you this. So this VM, this CentOS VM having the resources of only 2 GB and one CPU, 20 GB hard disk. So if you deploy a production server in the 2 GB RAM, 1 CPU and 20 GB hard disk, 20 GB hard disk, people are accessing. So where we need to install our website. So we are installing after that CentOS 7, we install the web server, then we install the code, right? Something like whatever the WhatsApp or whatever it may be. So we install the code on the this machine. So for example, this is the production server. So this is the production server. How many people are hitting a code or something like? How many people are interacting with this application? For example, if it is a Facebook or a Twitter or something like Instagram or something like a WhatsApp. So how many people are hitting the hitting the website, hitting the site? So this is in the our browser. So this is for example our browsers. So multiple people are accessing this site, right? So whenever we are accessing this site, so the connection, whatever the connection, so it will uses the RAM, a CPU capacities, the RAM and CPU capacity. If one hit comes to the server, that hit whatever the hit, so it will be taking the RAM and CPU. It will be putting the RAM and CPU utilization. It will take the RAM and CPU utilization. It will take the RAM and CPU utilization, something like, for example, so in your laptop, you are using multiple applications, something like a VLC player, video player, and some Microsoft document or PowerPoint presentation, something like you opened a multiple windows. So then it automatically slow your laptop, right? So it went slow because of you are accessing multiple. You are something like a multitasking. You are open a multitasking. That's the reason every task will uses the CPU and will uses the resources CPU and RAM. That's the reason. So something like if you are using 2 GB of RAM and one CPU, whatever you are using the applications, that applications load will takes the CPU and RAM, so it will be slow. So if you are using one application, the RAM and CPU will take the load only for one application. If you use the multiple application, so definitely it will be a slow. The same like as a, so if the people are hitting to this application, the CPU memory and resources will be hitting and take the resources and utilize these resources. That's the reason. So the production servers, something like for example, so whenever we are using the any of the something like big millennium days. So something like it's a e-commerce site. e-commerce site, for example, Amazon.com. Amazon.com. There is a festival called, there is a offers called something like a big billion days. So that time people are interacting to the site, or more people are interacting to the site, right? So that time, so the U limit of that server is something like a 10,000. 10,000. Normally 10,000, every day 10,000 people are something like below 5,000 people are accessing the site only. But the time of offers, big million days, it will be huge traffic will comes to the server. Huge traffic will comes to the server, and it will affect, it will take the load from the RAM and CPU. That time it will be a slow term. It will be slow because of huge people are hitting to this website. Got it right. So why we are installing only the CentOS 7 on physical server, the production environment. So the people are using, right? The utilization is having more because of 10,000 people are using this website. And so internally it will be accessing this server. Internally it will be taking this resources of this server. So that's the reason we are installing only CentOS on this much big amount of server. But non-production environment, CentOS, this server resources 2 GB of RAM, 1 CPU, 1 hard disk. So this resources only uses 3 or 4 people. Only 3 or 4 development people. So that's the reason for the development purpose, we don't need this much big amount of servers. So that's the reason the virtualization comes into the picture. That's the reason the virtualization comes into the picture. So I don't want this much big of, I don't want this much big of server. So because of it is costing 10 lakhs per year. So I don't want to use this much of cost because of this is the development environment, and only the development people, 3 people are accessing this server only. So I don't want this much big amount of resources. So we need only this amount of resources is enough to accessing these 3 people. That's the reason. So the virtualization is comes into the picture. So if you install the virtualization, any virtualization or software, so it releases the resources, and we can install whatever the OSS we need based on our resources. So that's the reason a virtualization comes into the picture. Okay. For
Okay.
example,
Okay.
I will tell you one scenario. For example, this is the U limit of 10,000. So U limit of a 10,000 10,000, but accessing the site is below 10 people only daily. Daily, how many people? 10 people are using.
Mhm.
10 people are accessing this site. So this CentOS 7, whatever the CentOS 7, this is enough for only 1,000 people. So we can access at a time 1,000 people. So so this time, so we will go with this server or we will go with this server. So only 10 people are accessing this site. Only 10 people are accessing this site. So that time we will go for the VM because of only 10 people are accessing, right? So if 10,000 people are accessing, then this much big of server we need. Now you understood,
Mm.
Yeah,
guys?
but excuse me, on this the production on production environment, which is a
Yeah.
physical server.
Okay.
If a lot of people are accessing the application, that is the web browser, to the hardware, will it increase though it's CentOS 7, but on the RAM, can the RAM be increased since, for example, you keep having multiple number of people accessing this server?
Yes.
Could the RAM be increased, or are you giving this 2 GB CPU one as example?
Yeah. So here RAM is 128 GB. 128 GB.
Mhm.
CPU equal to 20 CPU. HDD means hard disk equal to 2 TB. Hard disk equal to 2 TB. So this is the resources of the server. So this is the resources of the server. So this is the resource of the server. So while installing the Oracle VirtualBox of VMware, it took 2 GB of RAM, 1 CPU, and 20 GB. So whatever remaining resources are there, it will be releases and it will be available for a free, and we can install whatever the OS we are.
Okay.
Okay, understood, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Guys, any doubts? Patrick, Vanilio, Pride, Johnson, Victoria. You guys are understood, right? You guys are
Yeah, can I
understand,
ask a
right?
question? Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Before
Please.
before we move from the production server to
Mm-hmm.
the virtualization server, so when
Mm-hmm.
people get so much involved in this one to the production server, so what time is it okay for them to move to the virtualization server? Like, is it when it is full or when it's saturated, then they can move to this virtualization server, or how
Mm-hmm.
does that work? Like when people using this production server, then
Mm-hmm.
when can they move to the virtualization server? Because I was not in last class, so I'm lacking out. So when can they move to the virtualization server if the users are so many? And how does it? How does the virtualization server comes into play? For instance, if you have so many users in the physical server for the production server, then how do they move now to the virtualization server? Or is it as an end product or something?
Yeah. So if you want to increase the resources of the server, yeah, we can stop the server and we can increase the resources because of, so we have a freely available resources in the physical server also. So whenever we need, so something like the people are accessing this, something like 1,000 people are increased here in the production environment, the virtualization. So we can increase the RAM, so on-fly manner, or something like we can shut down the OS, then we can increase the RAM.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, we can increase the RAM by creating this virtualization server. So what
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
asking is that how does this virtualization server come into play when we are using only the production server? How do we move to the virtualization server? Is it when like the
Yeah.
production
Yeah.
server is getting
Yesterday
full, then we can move to this one?
yesterday you are not joined the class, right?
Not in classes today. Yes, yes, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah. I will show you. I will show you. No worries. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So can someone, so Pride, are you using which server? Which laptop?
I'm using a Aspire 3.
Aspire
Aspire.
3.
Acer. Acer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Excuse
So you
me.
can,
Can I say something?
yeah.
We are like I was there yesterday, but we still need to translate this to what happened yesterday. And some of us, for example, me, I'm trying to understand, and at least I'm getting like I'm trying to understand what's going on. But to support what he just asked right now, I think what he's trying to find out is production environment and non-production environment. Why we should use the lesser RAM and CPU, and why we should use the kind of the highest number, the highest number of the RAM and CPU. I think is that what you understand from his question?
Yeah. So in the production, the people are high amount of the people are using that, right?
Uh-huh.
So this
Okay.
website. So that's the reason we are placing a big server with the big resources.
Yeah,
Because
that's
it's
Okay.
at,
important.
is at the production center, not on the
Yes, this is the
non-production
production
center.
server. So in the
Okay.
non-production environment, the development people, QA people are there, right? The only people. So within the organization, something like the people are using 10 people below, or something like a 5 people below, or 3 people are using the development environment. So that
Okay.
time, so we don't need this much big amount of server. So we will go with the virtualization.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Pride, you can share your screen. Make you as a host.
Are you talking to me?
No, no,
Right.
no. Pride.
Okay.
So I just shared
Now,
now.
Pride, you are the yeah. I'm stop sharing. You can
Yeah, I just shared my screen.
start. Yeah.
My screen is up.
1 second. No, we are unable to see your screen. The share screen button is there, right? In the below. In the green, there is a share screen button, right?
Yeah, so
Yes. Now you are able to share your screen. Yeah. So can you open the Google Chrome or something like I will give you the 1 second. I will give you the links. One second. This is for virtual box. This is for Day-7. So this is for this is for yeah. So can you open the Zoom chat? Can you
the
open the
chat.
Zoom chat? Yeah, Zoom chat. You can open the Google Chrome or which browser are you using?
I'm
Which
using
browser?
Firefox.
Yeah,
Firefox.
open the Firefox.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
I'm
So I'm on
seeing
Google
only
Chrome.
the yeah. I'm seeing only that screen, desktop screen only. You can minimize the screen. You can minimize the screen, right? Or give me control. Yeah. Can you give me the control?
Are you there?
Yeah. So I asked the control. Can you give?
Yeah, prove it.
Yeah. Upload, right? Can you
You
minimize
got
the
it?
screen? Yeah. Can you minimize the screen? Yes.
You got it?
Minimize.
Is it
Yeah.
okay?
Minimize the screen. I'm unable to minimize this. Can you minimize the screen? This window, explore window. Can you minimize
It's
this
not the
window?
my,
Or can you close this
it's not
window?
the, this one.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, okay now. My
Can you close this home? Can you close this home?
I'm not. Is it close?
No, not closed. I think you don't know. Give me the controls. Close this here. Close this window.
I think I've not seen the screen.
Wait a second. Wait a second. I'm reclaiming the host.
I think I've not seen the screen. Is he moving his screen?
Not moving. Yeah.
Because my screen is.
Yeah. Guys are able to see my screen, right? Guys are able to see my screen? Guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. So who will share? Who having awareness? Anand,
I
you there,
share.
right? Anand, you are, yeah. So Ramakrishna, you are using laptop, right?
Sorry, Hari, actually tab only. So
Okay. Ramakrishna are using laptop, right?
Yeah, I'm also installed this OS, right?
You already installed?
Yeah, today morning only.
Can I
Okay.
share mine?
Home, right? Home you already installed, right? Who are not installed the OS, virtualization and OS. So that can let me know. I will give the access to the guys. Vanilio, Victoria Johnson, Victoria, Kehand,
Yeah.
yeah, Kehandy. So can you share your screen? So you are using Kehandy 2 or Kehandy 1? Kehandy 1 for
Yeah,
mobile, right?
I cannot share. I told you
So
I've not,
which laptop are
because
I've not installed anything. I need to catch up on the last two classes to install
okay,
what they
okay.
installed
So
yesterday.
I make you as a host, so you can share your screen, Victoria. So you are using which laptop?
I can't install right now. I need to catch up on the last two classes so I can
No
do
worries, I
everything
will tell
step
you.
by
I will
step.
tell you how to do it. So which laptop are you using? HP or Mac?
HP.
HP, right? Yeah. I make you as a host. You can share your screen. I will guide you. No worries. I will guide you how to install.
I've not installed that of yesterday. That's what I'm saying.
it doesn't
Yes,
matter.
yes. I will show you. I will show you how to install. You can share your screen.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Yeah. Yes. Very good. Yeah. So can you open the Zoom chat? Can you open the Zoom chat? Or in the tab you can, yeah, in the tab you can, yes. Very good. So can you go a little bit up? Can you go a little bit up? Yes. Yeah. Look, little bit up, little bit up. You are not there in the channel, that group channel.
Oh, I am.
Why Dave, right? Why Dave. You can search Videv, Videv. Yeah, the first one. Yeah, click, go a little bit up. Yeah, that one only, that one only. The first one. Go a little bit.
Virtual box.
Yeah,
This
the
one?
virtual. Yes, the virtual box. Click that one. Yeah. So it's already installed in the right side, right? Right corner there is a arrow mark. Right. Yeah. Go up, up. Yeah. So that is virtual box. Yeah, done, right. Yeah, click that one. Click that one. Click it.
Yeah, I clicked it.
Okay.
So do I click on yes or no? It's
Yes.
looking for
You can click on yes. Yeah. So Oracle virtual box needs, yeah. So can you, okay, finish. Yeah. Okay. Press okay. Then you can go to the second one. Go. Go a little bit up. Yeah, that the below one, the below one, below one, below one, below. Yeah, there is a dot, reddish dot.
This
Yes,
one.
that one. Yes. Right side it's downloading, right? Right side there is an option downloading. Give me request. Yeah. So there is a VC redist.64 in the above.
Are you requesting for remote for my system?
Yes.
That.
Yeah, you can accept that one. Accepted, right? You see here, so there is a symbol downloads. Click the downloads and here you can double click this. It asking yes. You can press yes. Yeah. So you can agree to install. So why it is taking this much time? Don't know. Let's see. Yeah. So after installing this, you can open the folder here. Then you can go to the downloads. You will see what you are downloaded.
Okay.
Install. Close.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you can open to this folder, go to the downloads. Yeah, here you can see what are you downloaded. So before
Okay.
that you can minimize this. You can minimize this and you can download this CentOS 7 ISO. You see here it started. Right? So where you need to see it in the folder. So something like VirtualBox Win. So now you are trying to install, double click on this. Now click yes. Yeah. So it's asking next. You can click next. Yep, next. Warning, network interrupt. Installing Oracle with network and features. Reset your network connection temporarily. Disconnect the network. Yes. Install. You see Oracle VirtualBox is installed on your machine. So then your resources will be available freely and you can install the number of OSs based on your resources. Right.
Okay.
Something like yeah. So start Oracle VirtualBox or finish, right? Where it is here. Yeah. So that is finished, right? You can close this here and search Oracle in the search Oracle. The search bar you can type Oracle VirtualBox. Yeah, the search bar you can type Oracle VirtualBox. Or else you can minimize this. Minimize this. Yeah, you see, so this is the Oracle VirtualBox. Oracle VirtualBox is installed. So if you want to install a new OS, new or virtual machine on your VirtualBox, click on new. Click on new. Yes. Give the name CentOS 7. Yeah, name CentOS 7. CentOS 7. Yes. Next. Next. There is a next. Next. Yeah. So here you see the hardware. Go back one time. Go back. Click that back. Yeah. Here you see something like I already show you, right? So what is the memory RAM we are using? 2048 means 2 GB. So how much CPU? One CPU we are using. Next. Yeah, here. So we are taking the virtual hard disk 20 GB. So virtual hard disk 20 GB. But so in Victoria Johnson's having that 2 TB of hard disk, but we are using only 20 GB. Next. Finish. Yeah. So CentOS 7. So OS is we are trying to install the VM virtual machine. The virtual machine is CentOS 7. So go to the settings. So go to the browser, Google Chrome. If that is that is downloaded or not, CentOS 7 is downloaded or not, we will check it. So we can click this. We can click the folder. Yeah, here. So you see something like a Control J. So can you press the Control J? Yeah. It's still downloading. The CentOS ISO is still downloading. So how many minutes left? 3 minutes left. So after that, you need to provide the ISO details to install the OS. Okay.
Okay.
It will take 1 minute. So yeah, meanwhile, so where we need to add our add ISO. Go to the settings, click the settings, click the settings. Yeah, click the settings.
Okay. Okay.
Is not opening, right? I'm not seeing. Click the
It's not-
settings. Yeah. So go to the storage. Go to the storage. Yeah, here. So controller SATA CentOS 7. Click that CentOS 7 VDA.VDA. Just cursor, you click the cursor on that VDA. Click that
Yeah.
cursor. Yeah, you see. So whatever 20 GB we are taking, so this will take the CentOS 7 VDA. So this is the controller IDA. This controller ID is for to select the ISO. So you want to install the Linux OS on this machine, right? How we can install? So we can give the ISO here, and then we can start the installation. So we can start the installation. So maybe, so there will be a 5 seconds or yeah, I think it's downloaded. Can you minimize this or okay this? Yeah. So minimize this one, Oracle Virtual Machine. Yeah. Still it is. Refresh the page. Zero bytes. We need to show it in the folder, this folder. Yeah, many are open. Close this, Victoria, close this Windows. Not responding, right? Wait. Wait a second. I think refresh is. Yeah, it's downloaded. Yeah. Now you can open the virtual box, Oracle virtual box. Then here empty. So can you click the ID, controller ID? Then you click the controller ID. Yes. Controller ID. The storage, in the storage, there is a controller ID, the first one. No, the first one. The first one.
Yeah, this one, right?
Yeah, you can select that one. Yeah. So there is a plus symbol, right? You can click that plus symbol. In first plus symbol.
This one.
So there is a first, yeah. Add optical drive, right? Yeah. Add. You can click add. Click add. Yes. I'll go to downloads. Click the downloads in the left side. Yeah. Select this Center 7 and open. Click on open in the below. Yeah. Choose. Okay. Choose. In the below, choose. Click the choose button. Below there is a choose button, right? Yeah. You already choose it. So for installing the OS, so definitely we need a ISO. So we already keep it in the IDE, something like keep it in here. Then you can press OK. Press OK. Okay, now you can start the installation, OS installation. Click the start button. Yeah. So it begins the OS installation. We are trying to install CentOS 7 on this virtual box. This virtual box. Can close this. Yeah. Auto capture keyboard. Okay. Close. Close this. Close this auto capture keyboard. No, not that one. Here only. There is a cross mark, right? And the auto capture keyboard after.
And this one.
So this one, this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can use the navigational keys in the keyboard. Navigational keys in the keyboard. Right, there is up arrow right. Yeah, capture. Click the capture. Yeah. So in the navigational
did.
keys, in our keyboard there is a navigational keys, right? Up arrow. Yeah, up, up, up. Click the up. Yeah. Now, so it selected install CentOS 7. The white, right? The white letters. So then click enter. No, not troubleshoot. Install. Up arrow. Yeah. Now click enter. Yeah, it started the installing the CentOS 7 on your virtual box. In our virtual box. Yeah. So close the mouse integration. After there is a close cross button, right? There is a cross button. You can click that cross button. Click that one. Yeah. It's starting the installing the CentOS 7 on your virtual box. Yeah. So click continue. So we are using the language is English. Then click continue. There is a below quit and continue. Click continue. Yeah. Capture keyboard. Capture keyboard. Click. Yeah. Click continue. Continue. Yes. Click. Yes. Wait. Yeah. So there is an installation destination. There is an installation destination, right? You can use the up arrow, right arrow. Click the after software. Yeah. Down. Go down. Go down. Yes. Click enter. Hit enter. Yeah. So you can click that done button. You can click the done button. Mouse pointer. Where is your mouse pointer? So go to the done. There is a done right in the starting installation destination. There is a done button. So no need to use the tab or something like. You can use the mouse pointer. Yeah. Go a little bit up. Starting. Go a little bit up. Up, yeah, up. Yes, there is a done button. Click the done button. Click. Yeah. So begin installation. So begin installation through mouse pointer. We can go to the mouse pointer and begin installation. And you can set the root password. There is a root password, right? Root password. Yeah. Click that root password. Yeah. So write red hat. Small. All are small. Red hat or CentOS. Yeah. So again done. You can click done 2 times. Again you can click done 2 times. Starting. There is a done button. Go to the mouse pointer. Mouse pointer, you can use the mouse pointer in the starting left corner. Starting left corner. Yes. Done button.
Right.
Click that. Yeah, click the done button. 2 times you can click it. Yes. So you see, so installing CentOS 7 on your virtual machine. So we have a 301, 304 packages need to install. So as of now, it installed 170, 181, so 196. You see, you are seeing, right? So we have the packages installing for the CentOS 7. So we used the ISO, right? From ISO, we are installing the packages. From the ISO, whatever the ISO we do download and we selected, right? So from that ISO, so these packages, 304 packages are installing. These 304 packages are installing. So what is the root? What is the root? You are set. You set the password has been set, right? Root password, something like Red Hat or
Yeah.
something. So what is that root password? So however you are login your Windows, the same like as a Linux also need to log in as a root or a user. So tomorrow I will show you guys. So what is the root password? How you can log in the Linux machine? How we can interact with the Linux machines? You guys understood, right? So today, how to install the OS? What is the CentOS? Where we need to install the CentOS 7? You guys got it right? Guys, understood?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So are we installing this one to, are you going to install this one to everybody, or this is just an example sharing her screen with
This is
everybody?
only the example. So this is the only example. From tomorrow onwards, we will start the other topics. So you guys, everyone can install the VirtualBox on your machine and try to install the OS on your VirtualBox and Day-7 on your VirtualBox. Okay,
Yeah.
please download that OS and install the OS to on your virtual machine on your lab. Okay.
So we have class tomorrow? Tomorrow
Yeah.
is
No.
Friday.
Then there is no class tomorrow, right? So Monday, right? You guys
Tomorrow is Friday.
Tomorrow
today
is
is
Friday.
Friday.
We're
Tomorrow
supposed
is
to have
yeah.
class
Yes. We have a class. Tomorrow we have a class.
Okay.
Please,
Okay.
I want you to explain something to me. Why I'm not seeing the screen on my monitor?
You're not seeing.
Anything on my monitor. I can only hear what you are saying.
You cannot see the screen.
Yeah.
So we are using
Or
Victoria's screen.
what we have been
We are
doing, I
using
cannot
a
see in my
Victoria.
monitor. I can only hear.
Guys are able to see the Victoria screen, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what
But one person cannot see it. That's what he's saying. He's asking
I
why
cannot
you
see
can't
it.
see the
Or
screen.
is there any mistake on my?
It might be from
mistake
your end.
something from your end only.
Yeah.
Bro, you
It's gonna be
can restart your system and try to log into the Zoom
Log in again here.
okay.
Yeah, log out and
Okay.
log in again, try.
Okay, then I'll do that.
So
Hmm.
another thing, Harry, I cannot the recording you sent to me. I was unable to. I could listen it, but the recording I was unable to see the recording, like the one of last class.
I already uploaded.
Yeah, I tried to open it, but it wasn't coming up. So I don't know what to do. But the audio, I could listen the audio, but the recording I could not. It could not open. It didn't open, so I don't know.
Yeah, I will show you end of the class. I will show you how to open the video.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
You can log out and log in. Then you can see the screen, right? And please
Okay, I'll
let me
do
know
that.
able to see.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Who is Kehandi also not seeing the Victoria's key?
I cannot see the writing on my monitor, but that's why I'm using my pad to see. But
You can log out and log in. So many people are using.
I'll do it after the class.
Okay.
No, why can't you do it now so that you'll be able to come back and see the screen sharing?
I have it. Let me see. Let me go back.
Almost ending, so you can just
It's on Monday.
Yeah.
I will do it. Don't worry.
yeah to get ready for tomorrow.
I'll do it for tomorrow. I'll make sure I get it tonight.
Okay.
But the
So
class
for
is
the course, we are now on this. We are now just on the. We haven't started the command system.
We have not started.
Okay.
Another thing is that will there be a kind of note that you can give us so that we can be reading some of those things
Yeah.
that
I will give you. So I will show you guys. No worries. So we have a document. I will share the document to you guys. So
Yeah.
you can read it. So don't write any notes. So while teaching the class, guys. So you have a recording, right? After that, if you have any doubts, you guys can watch the recording multiple times until you got it. Okay? Yeah, you can click the reboot.
Yeah, I'm still yet to catch up with some of
Can I
the.
reboot?
Yeah, you can reboot.
But that means I'll be out of the class. Are we done?
Are we done? You can
No,
reboot the
yeah, completely reboot it.
computer. Yeah, you can reboot the mission. So the OS installation is completed. So what it is asking is a reboot So once it is rebooted, something like it will start. Yeah, this is the Linux OS. So whatever once you start your Windows, right? Once you power on your Windows laptop, how it comes, the same like as a CentOS, it coming after you rebooting. I got it. So what is the password you said for root, right? The login is root. The login is root. Root.
Type root.
Yes, yes. Type
Yeah.
root. Then type the root. Yeah. Hit enter. Then you can give the password. It will not show you. So you can press enter the password and then press enter. Yes. Yes. Yeah. This is the Linux servers. Cat. So the command is cat. Cat. cat.
CAT.
cat.
CHC cat,
Space.
yeah.
Yeah. Space slash forward slash yeah etc T for tiger,
ETC.
yeah, slash again slash red hat, no, there is no slash, only one slash, yeah, so red hat hyphen hyphen after zero there is a button, right? Hyphen, no, after zero not underscore hyphen, yeah, release RE
Release. Okay. Like this.
ASC, yes, hit enter. Yeah, you see, so which OS is installed on your VirtualBox? Read it.
Okay. What?
Victor, yeah, read it. So which OS is installed on your mission, on your VirtualBox? CentOS Linux release 7.9.2009 OS is installed. CentOS 7 is installed on your virtual machine. So this is your CentOS 7 Linux OS mission, VM. This is called as a VM, virtual machine. So how you can shut down, how you can shut down your Linux machine by using init 0, init init, type init, Victoria, type N for Netherlands, I for India, N for Netherlands, remove init, India and tourist. Again India, I
Yeah.
init, init. Again I, yes, space, yeah, type 0,
0.
yeah, hit enter. Yeah. So you see, CentOS 7, the virtual machine, the Linux OS is powered off, shut down, powered off. If you want to start, you can use the start button. Okay, understood? Yeah, the same
So
like as,
did you just got the the init or any number that you just choose by yourself, or is that a kind of formula?
what is that? Init 0, right?
Yeah, those numbers those things that you just called out, is it like the normal formula, or are you just calling any name or anything?
Yeah, there is a formula. The Linux
That is
commands
a
is,
command system, command
yeah,
formula.
command for the system. I will show you guys. From unit 0 to 6, so we have a 6 commands are 0, 1, yeah, unit 0, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6. So there is a 6 commands are there. So Linux CLI, this is a command line interface. how we can interact with this OS through commands only. So login as a root, hit enter. Yeah, password, Red Hat, whatever you set, right? Again root, yeah, password, and I hit enter. Yes. So you see, so last failed login. So you already failed one time. So then I want to restart my Linux through commands. How we can do it? By using the init6. The same way how you can execute that command init0. So replace with 06 init6. Type init6 space 6 numerical 6. Yeah, hit enter. You see it automatically restart the OS, Linux OS, CentOS 7. So after completion of your work, guys, you can shut down the mission. Okay, you can shut down it and you can close the Oracle Virtual. Yeah, login as a root. Hit enter. Password. Hit enter. Type password and hit enter. Yeah, init 0. Init 0 space 0 0. Yeah, hit enter. Yeah, your OS, your server, your CentOS, a virtual machine was shut down. Okay, close this. Close this.
Does it totally from here?
Yeah, from there only. Yeah. So if you want to, start the Linux OS again, in the types in the search, you can type Oracle VirtualBox. Oracle. Yeah, there is in the starting. Yeah, click that one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you want, you can start. Otherwise, you can leave it. Now you understood, right? Don't start. Don't start.
Yeah.
Don't
Okay.
start. Okay, close this.
So we can install this. We can install this on our own, eh? Like today, we can
Yeah,
install
you
this on
can.
our own. The
Yeah, you
CentOS
can
7.
install. Yeah, you can watch the recording and you can install your own on your laptop. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Victoria, now you
Thank you.
understood, right? Guys, you understood right now?
Yeah.
I will
I
share
know.
my screen to you guys. I will share my screen to you guys. Please let me know or able to see my screen off. Able to see, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You see, guys. So I will give you something like I will give you the notes. You see? So I will upload all the notes to the drive. No worries. So this is the Linux administration, guys. So from tomorrow onwards, I will start the Linux administration. The CentOS will already installed, right? After that, we will
So,
start the Linux administration. So I will upload tomorrow this document, guys. So whatever the concept is, I will upload the document. I will upload the document, guys. No worries. Okay. Guys, understood? So these are the recordings. So something like October batch. Yeah. So right, you are asking, right? You can click this and you can double click it automatically. It automatically starts, right? Maybe there, right, giant, right? Yes. So it will open. Then you can watch the recording. Or otherwise, you can download it and you can watch the recording. You understood, right?
yeah.
Okay, guys. Anyone having any doubts?